Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a hyper-realistic nose and lips using charcoal. So stay with me and let's draw together. These are the tools that I use. I've explained the details and uses of all the charcoal drawing tools in this post. I'll leave the link in the description so you can check it out. First, I begin with the darkest areas, the nostrils, using a sharp charcoal pencil to define the deep shadows. After darkening the area, I use a small brush to blend it, allowing the charcoal to penetrate deeply into the paper texture. For the shadows above the nostrils, I use a medium brush, and to cover larger areas smoothly, I switch to a bigger brush. Always begin with the darkest shadows and slowly transition into the lighter tones for a smooth and realistic effect. I try to pay close attention to the details of the shadows and carefully control the tonal values to create better volume, making the drawing look more alive and realistic. Next, I move on to the highlights using a pencil eraser with a tapping motion. I create the lights and bright areas. The middle line of the lips is made very dark with charcoal pencil and then it's blended with a brush. For the lips, I start by shading them first. The upper lip is always darker than the lower lip. The darkness of the middle line of the lips and shadow under the lower lip can give the lips great volume, as long as we keep the highlight in the center of the lower lip. I add the lines and details of the lower lip with a pencil and then blend them with a brush. I carefully observe the reference model and apply the details with precision. I use a pencil eraser to add soft highlights next to the lines, and for stronger highlights I use an electric eraser. The deeper the lines on the lips, the darker they appear. I've recorded a complete step-by-step tutorial on drawing Alan Delon for you. Watch it, enjoy, and leave me a comment about how helpful the tutorial was for you. Your feedback really motivates me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I upload new tutorials every week. See you soon!